Leaf dies are really, they can be used throughout the year, but they're perfect for fall projects. Here I'm comparing leaf fragments with leaf prints dies from Sizzix. The leaf fragment set has 5 dies in the set, so you get 5 different leaves. The leaf prints has 8 dies in the set, but you get 4 different leaves. So the leaf dies for the leaf prints, you get 4 different outlines and 4 different centers, which gives you a lot of opportunity. You can die cut just the outline of the die, just the inside of the die, or you can combine the two and get an outline with the insides. So it gives you a lot of variation and a lot of choice when you're creating. For the leaf fragments, I love the fact that it's different leaf shapes that have kind of cutouts as if they were fall leaves that had pieces that had started to degrade. The leaf prints dies, the pieces that come out are more like the parts that wouldn't be the veins of the dies, so they don't give the same vibe. Both are great for fall cards, and it's great to be able to have the choice as to which one would be the best suited for the projects that we're creating. I have a bunch of cards here that I've created with both sets. This first one here, I use the outline with the insides cut out as well as a solid outline behind it. The second card uses up those inside bits, so they've not gone to waste. You can still use them on cards and get creative with them. With the leaf fragments die set, I created a card with the leaf shakes. I've created stamps with them and used Magicals powders. I've created different backgrounds using Magicals and then die cut those leaves. So there's so much variation you can do with both sets.